Properly and nice, my people. Okay. Some gravy here. This is perfect. People.
Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make something nice, something delicious, something special guys. We're gonna go right into it. So guess what happened guys? We have the shrimp here. There are some fresh wild caught shrimp and they're raw, but they're already stripped and clean, okay? So we are go right ahead and we are go open this bag guys. And we are going to make some nice coconut curry shrimp. You know how that go. So, I don't think we are going to use that. We use about that. It's a nice portion. So, okay guys, they're frozen, as you see. So we are going to run a little water upon them, get them tied out, and then we are throw a little season upon them. And then we are going to get ahead guys, because this don't take long guys. This is something real quick and fast. I'm gonna pour a little salt on it to wash it off guys. Get any impurity out of the water. So stay tuned, watch the video. So okay guys, we're gonna put some little salt in the water. And you know the salt helps tie it out. Don't worry about the amount of salt. That's just to wash it. Okay? And to tie it out real fast so I can get it to move fast. Cause guys, over here I had some coconut milk, fresh coconut milk, make from scratch. Okay, here is it. So and we have the ingredients them over here guys. We have the celery, we have the sweet pepper or bell pepper, whatever you call it, red, orange and yellow. We have the scallion, we have the thyme, we have a little ginger, we have the onion, white and mauve, and we have the garlic guys, and some nice pimento seed. Okay, and these are some seasons I'm gonna use. You're gonna see how I'm use them. So stay tuned and watch what I go on guys. Guys, can you believe that the salt already tie them out? Can you believe that? Guys, you have to learn them type of trick, you see? Tie out already, I can squeeze it to crumbs. And it was tough when I take it out of the refrigerator. Okay? This is why you gotta wash your stuff and clean them up and look for anything you see on them and take them off. Okay, see, already soften my peeps, already soften. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this water off and I'm gonna give it a second wash. And I'm gonna go right into seasoning, my people, right into seasoning. Cause this coconut curry shrimp, it don't take long. As long as you prepare everything like how I have them prepare, don't take long. And guys, if you follow me and watch the step how I do it, trust me, you're gonna come out with pretty good result. Alright, so this is the last wash. I wash it 3 times guys, 3 times. That is it. And I'm just trying to squeeze it so I get all the water out. Okay. This is it my peeps. Nice coconut curry shrimp we're going to make today. So we're not going to put no amount of season on the shrimp, okay? Just a little slap your mama on it. Not a lot. Little anti-Maggi, you know we can't do it without anti-Maggi. Even though certain dish I don't really use it. Because some dish I don't really use it in it. Okay guys. That one side. We're gonna go in with some oregano. This is good seasoning, guys. This is a good season. We're gonna go in with some black pepper, fresh grind black pepper. We're gonna go in with some paprika, guys. Okay. Like I said, I'm not putting a lot of seasoning on it, guys. And a little bit of chili. And that is it. No more seasoning on this thing here. Okay? What we're gonna do is just put a little bit of curry on him, guys. Just a little splash. Not a lot, because I'm gonna burn the curry anyway. And I'm using my Portland Mills today, guys, with my easy spice. Okay? 2 top curry from Jamaica, guys. That's what I'm using. I'm gonna drop a little of this on it also. This give it the bright color, okay? Alright, so that is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything in. Mix it up, get all the shrimp seasoned up properly and nice, my people. Okay? Yeah. This is what we're talking about. So, right now, this can stay right there. I'm gonna cover it up and let it sit down right there, my people, and soak a little bit. I'm gonna get going with the coconut milk, my people. So let's turn on the fire. You're gonna see what I'm doing from now, because this one is not gonna take long, my peeps. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. Help the channel to grow. One Str8yaad TV. Okay, my peeps, so we're gonna put some olive oil a little bit in the pan. Let the pot hot. Alright. You know how we do it already? There's a little bit of oil. No lot of oil around here. Okay. So right now we are going with some onion. Flavor up with oil. A little bit of olive oil. Going with piece of garlic, guy, but I'm not gonna cut it up. Gonna go in with a little bit of thyme. And we are going with some fermenter berry, guys. So let me wash them off a little bit. Drop them in my pan. Know how it go. So what we are doing is blanch this, get some flavor in it. Now we are going with some curry, guys. We're gonna burn some curry. We'll burn some real Indian curry, some dark curry. And now we're going to drop some of the easy spice curry, guys, in it, okay? So that is it. See it? That is it, my peeps. So we have to release some flavor, you know, my people. Some cut up a little bit of bell pepper. Release some flavor. Then I put all of the thyme. Then I put my celery. Now put a little piece of ginger. Put some red onion, guys. Red bell pepper. Go right ahead with a piece of scallion. Alright, my peeps. So we're going to go back up on the fire now, because the fire was down, because we don't want the curry to burn, okay? So watch them style here. I release some flavor here now, okay? Release some flavor. Alright guys, flavor start to release. You know how it go. We are going with some rich, fresh coconut milk. So we are going with 1 cup of coconut milk, my peeps. 1.5. 1.5, because you know shrimp don't take long to cook. Okay? But you know more that to boil up now and release the flavor them. Okay? And then we are going to put in the shrimp. So I'm going to cut up this piece of garlic that I have here in it also. This is what we're talking about. I'm going to crush this zaskelly and put him in. Now we're going to put in the rest of the onion. That is it. Now put all of that. Alright, so that is it now, my peeps. I'm going to release some flavor, you know, so it look beautiful. When this come down, you know, my people, you know how it go, you know. So we are going cover this down and let it come to a boil, and then we're gonna come back and test it out and see if we need any more salt for flavor, for taste, because that's all we're gonna add to it, nothing more. Okay, and then we're gonna put the shrimp. So stay tuned, watch what I go on. Shrimp is fast, guys. Shrimp is easy and quick to cook, especially when they peel like this. Is like about 4 or 5 minutes, 7 minutes the most to cook this type of shrimp. Ready? Okay. So we are carry this to a boil, and then we are add with nice, beautiful shrimp in it. Okay, guys. So let's check out the coconut curry shrimp. Look at that, guys. You see how beautiful that look? See? Yeah. Now the time I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna see if it needs some salt. Sweet, but still need a little salt. Coconut milk gives that sweet, rich flavor, guys. Sweet and rich. So I'm gonna do add a little bit of salt in it, guys. Just a little bit. We don't need a lot of salt in it to let it salt, okay? I'm gonna stir it up now and see what's going on again. Right there, guys, right there I need it. So see, right now, give it 2 more minutes and then we're gonna put in the shrimp. Okay, my people, we are gonna put in the shrimp and know about time. Look at it. Yep, that's what we're talking about. So right now, we are gonna put in the shrimp, them peeps, because you know shrimp don't take long for cooking. You know. All this beautiful flavor go right in the pot, guys. Right in. Nothing left. Now we are going to give it a stir. And like me tell you, shrimp don't take long to cook. So you know this is going to take like about 6-7 minutes time. Done. Okay. See it there? Looking nice, guys. Nice and delicious. See it, me peeps? Real coconut curry shrimp that, you know. So we're going to cover it down back and make the fire do some work, guys. Then we check it back. Because we soon finish with this, you know. We soon finish. Alright? Because this shrimp don't take long to cook. So one Str8yaad TV in the kitchen with it. Okay, guys. Let's check out this curry coconut shrimp, boy. It's nice. Watch what go on, people. Let me turn up the fire and make it see how it rich. We're done, you know. We are turning off the fire now, my peeps. We're turning off the fire. Look how rich this is, guys. Look. Look. Peeps, fire turn off. Fire is off. No more cooking with the shrimp, my peeps. I tell you, the shrimp is very easy to cook. Let me take out this piece of time. It's already doing job. Throw him out. Alright. So my people, we are going to plate. And we are going to dig in it for you guys. So stay tuned and watch the video. This coconut curry shrimp is off the hook. Remember I tell you guys. Guys, stay tuned. I'm going to plate and come right back to you. I go put some food in a plate now, my people. Nice and delicious. Guys, we have to drop a little of this gravy. Cause you know what? This gravy is nice. Okay guys, so this is the end result of it guys. I'm gonna dig right into it for you guys. Trust me, I know it is delicious. This shrimp is perfect. People. Guys. Guys. Let me finish eat this first. Guys, this is so nice and delicious, guys. Try it the same way, do it the same way I show you guys. Follow this step by step. Very good result, guys. This is off the hook. So nice and delicious, guys. I'm gonna have to sit down and finish it up. So stay tuned and continue watch all the videos that we post, guys. And subscribe to the channel, like up the video them, share out the video them, guys. Who on Str8yaad TV? We out.